Hi guys, Jessie here from Tonkadale, and we are so excited for spring. Spring is flinging in the greenhouse, and I'm going to tell you what you can do in your garden right now. Plant pansies. Pansies tolerate temperatures down to 28 degrees, and they don't mind a little snow on their pretty little faces. Take time to give them a sniff because they smell delightful. Plant tubers and summer bulbs indoors. Dahlia tubers come in packs of two per 12-inch pot. Plant one single colocasia bulb in a 12-inch pot. Make sure to use our organic houseblend Tonkatera potting soil. Get ahead of the weeds. Now's a great time to spread pre-emergent weed get-rid-overs right now. If you're starting seeds indoors, you'll want to start tomato and pepper seeds 6 weeks before our last average frost, which is still May 15th. Mark your calendars for April 1. Top dress with compost. If you put your compost down now, those nice deep soaking rains will help trickle it in with no work needed by you. We love Purple Cow activated compost. It's a vegetable-based compost suitable for organic gardening, and it has all the nice juicy nutrients that your garden beds need right now. Plan ahead for pollinators. We have some amazing seed mixes that will support pollinator health from early spring all the way into the fall. And don't forget our educational resources, 10 tips for pollinator planting, and the perfect pollinator garden plan. Prepare to repel. Deer and rabbits are getting hungry, and they're gonna go after everything that's starting to come up in the garden, including spring flowering bulbs. Deer are habit eaters, so if you start training them away right now, they'll leave your stuff alone. I like to use the granular repellents for newly planted perennials, and also things are just coming up. Sprays are better for well-established perennials, shrubs, and annuals. And finally, now is the time to prune panicle hydrangeas. Those are your limelight type hydrangeas, the big cone-shaped blooms that you left up all winter long and enjoyed immensely. Prune them back 30 to 50% of their height right now, and then go in at the base and prune out any dead or yucky branches. They're gonna flesh out gorgeous and bloom for you midsummer all the way into fall. That is your early spring gardening checklist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale.